friends, today I will tell you the features of this neckband. Its brand name is Boat. Its model name is Rockers. It has a black color. It has very stylish look. It has very nice sound quality. It has very lightweight. It has 3 buttons. First button is used for increasing volume. Then second button is switch on and off for this neckband. Then third button is used for decreasing volume. It is very easy to wear. It's useful for traveling, attending online class, meetings and enjoying music. Its price is only 1300 rupees.